going to say, I Know Why the Cage Bird Sings by Maya Angelou. The free bird leaps on the back of the wind and floats downstream till the current ends, and dips his wings in the orange sun's rays and dares to claim the sky. But a bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The cage bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the cage bird sings of freedom. The free bird thinks on another breeze, and the trade winds soft through the sighing trees, and the fat worm waiting on a dawn-bright lawn, and he names the sky his own. But the cage bird stands on the grave of dreams, and his shadow shouts on a nightmare scream, and his wings are clipped, and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The cage bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, where the cage bird sings of freedom. I love birds. It's a little purple bird of happiness from my mom. It's a little beanie baby I sent my mom when she fell and broke her pelvis. 2009. She passed away some weeks after that. But she always liked birds, and my grandmother liked birds. So this is the owl for my mom.
Pet the owl.
And my mom liked owls anyways, and then she went back to school when she was 50, and she graduated college when she was 52, and her mascot were the Fighting Owls at Florida Atlantic University in Boca Raton. So she was also wise most of the time. Sometimes not. Sometimes we're all not wise. But anyways, I really love that poem by Maya Angelou, because I feel a lot like that bird. In my marriage of 30-some years. But freedom is awesome. I hope you enjoyed that poem. And all my birdies, love you. Bye.